The 2004 Nissan Frontier, we're in 2025, so it's old, is not running good in the morning. It's running terrible. It's idling really bad. And so after some thought and some recommendations from a couple people, they felt the distributor cap and rotor would be the first thing to change. So I took it apart. I mean, it doesn't look that old, but I'm not sure when it was changed, or if it was. It probably was, but I'm not sure. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. And if I look at the edge of it, I'm not a pro at this. I don't do this, so I don't know. I mean, I guess that looks pretty rough compared to the new one, which looks nice and smooth. So is this the reason? When I look inside, here's the brand new one. Here's the old one. I don't really see, but I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't know if I'm supposed to see some defect here. I don't really see a defect. But either way, I'm going to change it. I bought it. I'm going to change it. And then we'll go from there. If that does it, perfect. If it doesn't, then we'll rethink what to change. So turns out all I have to do is put the new one on here, put the bolt in. Now I did notice there's a little bit of play right here, but maybe not, just a little bit of turn play. Not much. I mean, probably my fingers are exaggerating it, but just a touch. But maybe that's normal. So I don't know. I just don't have the experience with this. Okay, let's get it back together, start the truck up, and see where we're at.